Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Only 3 participants. Okay, Mariam, now you are able to access Zoom. Last time you were not able to access, no? Oh, sorry, Zoom, I am
Yes.
saying. It's Scratch. You are able to
Yes.
log in Scratch? Okay, Muhammad Ali, anyone is facing any problem with the Scratch now?
No, ma'am. I have already made 4 games.
Games. Before starting with the smaller and simple programs, you just jumped into games.
Ma'am, I know all the basics.
You know the basics, okay. Okay, tell me about the basics. Chalo.
Ma'am, do I have to share my screen or do I do it normal?
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, I'll share my screen.
Mm-hmm.
You're using the wrong phone.
Ma'am, I'll take some time to open the window.
Okay. For rest of you, are you able? What progress you have did? How much you have done with this Scratch? Have you done something by your own?
Story.
Okay, good.
I made a story.
Good, Maima. Good. Would you like to share that story to me?
Yeah, I also did that story.
Oh, really, Mariam? So I love to
Yeah.
see that story. So one by one, you people show me what you have done. Then I will tell you how you can make your sprites to dance. Do you know how you can make the sprite to dance?
No, I don't know how to
Oh,
make this
okay.
dance.
Okay. So in Scratch, I'll show you how you are able to create your sprite in such a manner that it will start dancing for you. So this is Maima's screen. Okay, Maima, show me.
But Muhammad Ali is sharing it.
Oh, okay, this is Muhammad Ali's screen. Muhammad, your net is working a little slow. It's just taking the time. So why don't you just open up your program first and then start sharing? Isn't will it be more appropriate, right? And till then, other yes, other is going to show me. Yes, yes, Umaima. Oh, hi, my name is Ruby. Just a minute, Umaima. Continuously wait, pause over here because I'll tell you what problems if I find some problem over here, right? So what happened here? Both of them has started communicating together. The so that is that does not look more good. So what you can do, you just create some changes, and the yellow colored one will speak up first, and then
No, she'll speak second.
yes, so make it for 2 seconds.
This one.
So make it for 2 seconds, the
Okay.
first one. And
In which?
no. Here in the center position, you have put this for 4 seconds, na? So you make it for 2 seconds. Make it for 2 seconds. Now come to this pink wala, pink girl. The girl.
This I mean pink girl only.
You changed her clothes.
Yeah.
Okay. So
wait, I'll do the pink, the yellow girl. I'll give her 2 seconds, and the pink girl, what? How many seconds?
wait, listen. For pink girl, because देखो वहां पर मैंने 2 seconds दिया येलो गर्ल को, तो वो 2 सेकंड के बाद पिंक गर्ल को बोलना चाहिए ना. तो बिफोर आफ्टर दिस व्हेन फ्लैग इज क्लिक, keep a command of wait for 3 seconds. There is a command of wait for 3 seconds that is in sensing. Go to blue tab, sensing.
What is it?
नहीं है यहाँ पर. इवेंट में है क्या? इवेंट में होगा फिर. इवेंट, गो टू इवेंट. मैं भी भूल जाती हूँ कहाँ पे रहता है ये। कंट्रोल लुक्स में है शायद, फिर लुक्स में जाओ, लुक्स में
Look.
डाउन,
Wait, let's start from more.
मोशन में भी हो सकता है, पता नहीं तो दिख रहा है।
No.
go down from this place। हाँ थोड़ा सा नीचे यहाँ से जाओ, हाँ yes a little low। थोड़ा हाँ स्पीड से नीचे आ जाओ, साउंड्स भी नहीं मिलेगा हमें। More down, yes, here controls।
Wait 1 second.
Yes, take it, and after when flag is clicked and make it for no upper after when flag is clicked, yes, and make it for 3 seconds। So what happened, as soon as the yellow one says her name, and it will take 2 seconds, and the pink one will wait for 3 seconds, and after that it will say, hi, my name is Lily। Okay, now play this।
Yeah, wait. 1 minute.
In the same way, if you do with all the communication, then what will happen? The communication will come one by one। Okay, show me।
No, it's not coming like
अभी
that.
फिर से तुमको वही टाइमिंग का सेटिंग करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि as soon as pink one, the ruby says something, Lily has to wait for that many seconds, and when Lily speaks something, then Ruby has to wait for so many seconds। Okay,
Yeah,
so after
I'll do that.
this command, you have to keep a waiting command. After again, you have to keep the waiting command. So that could be a synchronization you had to keep.
Excuse me, ma'am, I'm ready.
Okay, Mohammed. Now you can share.
Ma'am, can I share?
Acha, yeah, of course. Just wait for a minute. Let Mohammed complete his work. One more thing. Whatever I am explaining to one person, everyone please pay attention, because that will be helpful for all of you. Okay? So do pay attention and make the changes accordingly. Okay? And I'm going to see everybody's program. So, yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, Mohammed. I want to-
ma'am, your voice is
Everyone,
cracking.
everyone, please mute yourself. Yes, just a minute. I will change my network.
Ma'am, I used move 10 steps to make it move.
Okay.
Now I'll take sound. Play
Mohammed,
sound meow until done.
Mohammed, are you showing me how you are creating a program, or you are showing me the games that you have created already? If we will create each and everybody's programming over here, then everyone will be bored enough, no? You have to create the program.
Ma'am, I
at
cannot hear
home.
you.
Mohammed, this is not the place
Yes.
to create a program, Bicha. You have to create the program at home. You told me that you had created some game and you want to show it to me. So I was waiting
Okay.
for that created program, na? Because everyone
Okay,
is
ma'am.
waiting for me to show them something. Na? Everyone wants the screen. If you create your program over here, then it will be a loss of timing with everyone. Na? Please, huh? Create and show me over here, and then I will tell you what editing you can done in your program, so that your program become more appropriate. And everyone please understand that whatever I'll explain to one person, please pay attention and grasp these things. Yeah, play. I just want to see the playing part, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime, no problem. Okay. Mohammed, make it fast, bacha. Everyone is waiting. सब बोर होके भाग जाएंगे मेरी क्लास से. Show me. Mohammed still waiting. This is wrong, bacha. You please unshare your screen, get ready with your program, and when it is ready to play, then show me. Okay, as Umayma did now, where as soon as the screen was here, Umayma just played the button and we have seen that program. So that is the saving of time because we have only 40 minutes in hand.
Ma'am, see. Ma'am, which game? The car. I have the foot stop. The car game.
Well,
The motorbike. The
which-
car. Rocket and asteroid game.
whatever game you want me
The
to
frog
show.
hop game.
It's up to you what you want me to show.
Ma'am, do you want to see the rocket?
Anyone,
Ma'am,
make
my
it fast.
basic game.
Mohammed, make it fast.
Ma'am, my basic game is the car game.
Show me.
I'll show you my car game.
Mohammed, this is very wrong. You are not the only one who is sitting over here and I will wait for you again and again. I asked you now, you get ready with your program and then share your screen. Since 5 to 10, 15 minutes, only one program I have seen and corrected it. This is not done. Get ready with whatever you want to show and
Ma'am,
then
I'll have
share
to.
screen.
Ma'am, I'll have to leave because Zoom is also taking my half internet.
Of course, it will take.
And scratch.
No problem.
And scratch.
It will
That's why
take
it's
a,
scratching.
it will take a time. So just give the time to scratch, let it get ready, and then you share your screen. Okay. By then, Mariam, you want to show me fast. Anyone else who want to show their program? Have you done something at home?
Can I share my story?
Yes, Mariam, definitely. Mohammed, yes. Mohammed, shall I do? Again, Mariam, just now I told Umayma how to keep this waiting time so that this communication will be seen properly. Okay, so try to create it like that. See, दोनों character तुम्हारे एक साथ बात कर रहे हैं. So this does not look good. So keep the waiting time as I just asked Mariam to Umayma to do. Got it? Understood what I'm saying? So keep it like that. Then it will be look very, very, very good. Okay. Now let's come to the topic today. Anyone else want to show? So keep the timing. Now, if you have made the dialogue for 2 seconds, then the other would have to wait for 3 seconds. Otherwise, the dialogue would not be visible. And what happened after 2 seconds? Let me finish. After 2 seconds, the first character dialogue will be vanished off. And then the second character's dialogue could be seen. So it will be more appropriate. Yes. Tell me, Mariam, what you want?
Ma'am, before in the ending, when the backdrop switched to bedroom one, and then the two characters like were talking, but then it again like changed to pool.
Yes, it changed by automatically. You did it, or
I just like created it, but It's like there was like a problem. So like before there was like a pool.
Yes. Actually, what happened in your program, the waiting time would be something. You might have set a waiting time of the backdrop. So when you have changed the backdrop to pool, so after a few seconds, the pool backdrop come again. So you have to make changes accordingly because it won't do anything automatically. Whatever you ask your program to do, that only program will do. Okay, so just have a look into it. If still it does not work, then again show me and create all the seconds programming, and then I'll make the corrections. That's fine.
Yes.
There must be some setting, otherwise it won't happen. Okay, Humaira Wahed, did you created something? Yusuf, Umar Javed, have you done something? Umar Javed, where are you, bacha?
Yeah. Ma'am, my scratch. Yeah.
Hmm.
I've created it, but I did not get. So I only did a little of that, just the background, another character,
Okay, okay, no
and
problem. No problem. Umar?
like that. So I'm just gonna put the dialogues and show you.
Okay, okay, fine. So in the next class, you will show me a story as Mariam
No,
and
no.
Umayma created. Na?
If okay, I will do today only.
So we will see in the next class only, na? Because right now I am teaching you something. You have to pay attention into that. Then only you can create your program. When I am teaching something, you won't.
Ma'am, I know.
Umar, that means you are not going to attend my class. You can leave them. Should I keep you in the waiting room? Because तुम तो अभी homework करोगे. मेरा पढ़ाने से कोई मतलब ही नहीं है. Isn't so? Because you just want to show in the class that you can do anything. तो मेरी need नहीं है. Is it so? Is it like that? Muhammad Ali also left the class by himself. What? Say Umar. Say anything. You people
Yes.
can't do your homework in the class. Whatever I am teaching you in the class, you have to pay attention in that. And Manha, for you, I must tell you that I have uploaded a video in Google, this thing, your YouTube channel. Please go through the YouTube channel video and just practice the things that I have explained there. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. I'll definitely help you. Okay. So now let's move to the different things. Everyone, please mute yourself. There is so much of noise in the background. So please mute. तुम लोग को अच्छा लगता है तुम्हारे घर की आवाज इधर आती है मेरे पास हाँ and I can hear whatever is going on in your house. It's not good. Our house should be at the safest place. You can.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Mohammed.
Ma'am, I posted the link of my 3 games in Google Classroom.
Okay, fine, good. I'll see from them. That's much better. But this is not done, Mohammed. Next time you are not going to waste so much of your friend's time, right? If you want to post, wait, let me finish. When you want to send the link to me in the Google Classroom, that you can done afterwards also, na? You left the class, you did whatever you want to do. This is not good. Now, now see everyone, I am showing you how you can make the character to dance. Mohammed, you know how you can create a character and make it dance?
Ma'am, you have to go on looks.
Fine. Okay, now let's do it. First of all, I'll just delete this character. I don't want this catty cat in my program. So I'm deleting the character.
I have to do that garbage button.
Garbage button.
Yes, the sprite character. So there is some dustbin sign. So you have to click that to delete.
Okay, fine. What I did, there was a sprite and I just put the cross button over it. So my sprite is deleted. Okay. Now what I will do, I need a sprite to work for me. So I will go to this cat's face and I'm going to choose a sprite from here. So let's see, there are so many characters available and some characters are animated character, as in she is doing some yoga steps and this ballerina is doing a dancing step. So I'll take this ballerina now. And my ballerina, I just want her to dance because it's already an animated character. So what I have to do, I have to just
Excuse
change
me,
the
ma'am.
costumes. Yes.
You have to go on looks.
Mohammed, can I just explain what I want to explain today? And after that, after my session is done, then I'll do what you want me to do. That would be fine for us. Is it okay? You
Ma'am,
you may learn. It may happen that I may tell you something new that you was not knowing earlier. Just merely creating a game can't make you the appropriate things, everything you can't learn no, by itself. You can see over here, as I clicked in the costumes button, I can see that ballerina is already done with the 4 costumes, right? So what we will do, we will play with the costumes of the ballerina. So for the first thing, first was the event. I told you, na, whenever we have to start with when flag is clicked. I appreciate if everyone, most of you knows a lot of thing about Scratch. That's good, Bacha. But a few of us does not know many things about Scratch. And so I have to uh, teach Scratch from the Scratch. Isn't so? We have to make the pace of with the person who don't know much about it. And it may happen there are some basics that you don't know. So Umar Javed, Muhammad Ali, I request you that you please pay attention so that you may also learn some or the other thing. And yes, I'll definitely listen to you, whatever you will say, we will do that programming also. Okay. So it will be a nice thing. Now, let's make ballerina to say something. So to say something, Mohammed, we have to go to this. So the first thing we need is an event, that is when flag is clear. Now with the looks, what you want? I want to say hello. And what else you want to put in? Tell me fast. What do you
Ma'am,
want?
to change. Ma'am, switch costume to.
Yes, we will. Yes, Mohammed, mute yourself. So now we say, ballerina will say hello for 2 seconds. And now let's allow ballerina to say something else. Let her move for a bit and we will move her to 50 steps because 10 steps movement is not easily visible. So we will make it like 50 steps. And then we will ask ballerina to say, want to see my dance? Okay, yeah, Fair will write, get ready for my dance. Yay. And this is also done for 2 seconds, okay? And after that, what ballerina will do, let's switch her costume. See, we have seen that how many costumes were there? There were 4 costumes. Now. So we will take it from one by one. So first costume is already there. We will make it A. Okay. And uh, if we just put the commands one by one, then we won't be able to see the output properly. So we will keep a waiting time for a few seconds. So we will take it for wait for 1 second. And in fact, it's more good if we keep it for 0.5 seconds. Okay. Now what we will do, we will come to looks again. We will switch costume to ballerina B and see in this drop down arrow, we'll click the drop down arrow, we will make B and again we will keep for wait for 5.5 seconds. So to make this, what I can do, I can just see I have kept my cursor to 0.5 seconds and I just click into the right click and I keep the duplicate button. I press this over here. Now I am going to wait for 5 seconds, and here, who is playing with my screen? I did not did that. Okay, it is. Okay, okay. Because my selection thing, it happens again. Okay. So now I'll just click the right click. I'll duplicate the command and I'll keep that command again and make this ballerina to dance for D. And after that, I'll make one very good command. I'll show you. That's really interesting. And that is come to the motions and glide to the random position. So what it will do, it will glide in the screen and go anywhere. Okay, let's see the output. Isn't it interesting? Let's see once again. Acha. Now she is keeping her hand in the air and that look does not look good. So what we will do, we will make again, we will make it, we'll go to the looks and keep the position and the first costume. So then only she will look good. Now I'll bring this ballerina over here and let's now see her outputs. देख अभी लास्ट में मैंने ए वाला पोजीशन रखा था ना तो ये अपने हाथ नीचे कर रही है and this is looks more better. Now one more thing, after gliding to a particular position she might have hidden in the screen. So what we will do, we will keep a position of ballerina. So to set the position, wait for a minute Mariam. To set the position of a character, what we will do, देखो इधर, everyone pay attention. I am keeping the position of the sprite and here you can see the coordinates. Are you able to see the coordinates? See, it is in -115 to 42. So now I will make it at a particular position. To set the position, I'll just go to X and this is -115 to 42. And now let's play it. She will come back to the same position again. Now see, it looks good now. She come back to the initial position. Now let's set some backdrop also. To choose the backdrop, we have to go to this position. See where we have to go? We have to go here. I'll search the backdrop and let's keep a beautiful backdrop. Yay, concert.
Ma'am, we can, ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
ma'am, we can choose the creator one also.
Yes, we can choose the theater one also. Now see, I am changing the position so that it will look like she is in the center part of the stage. Now let's play it. So now we have learned how we can make a character dance if I am having an animated character. So this is how. अच्छा एक और चीज डाल देते ना. Thank you. See, finishing of something is also very important because I always say computer is a dumb boy. If you don't ask him to do anything, it won't do. So you have to say it again and again, then only it will work. अगर मैं ये 2 seconds का time limit नहीं डालूंगी ना, तो it will continuously say the same thing again and again. So that won't look good. So we have to keep the time limit every time. Okay. So I hope I told you something new and interesting. So now everyone is going to create the same program. And yes, Mohammed, you want to say something? Yes, Sidra, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Just a minute, Mohammed. I'm just talking to Sidra. Wait for a minute. Yes, Sidra.
Ma'am, I made a story on Scratch. May I show you?
Yes, Sidra, of course. Just wait for a minute. Let me see what Mohammed is saying. Yes, Mohammed, come to me. Yes,
Ma'am,
Mohammed.
actually, ma'am, if you want to make keyboard games, you have to go in events and down the green flag. There is a keyboard. So, if you press this, the button press, it will go and it will start. And I use the green flag to start. So when we press the green flag, the start screen comes, and then when I press on the start screen, it shows the game. I use the green to start it because I've peeked in some other games which they put on Scratch. So I press on C inside and I see there's green flag. So when I press on green flag, the the main screen comes. Then I press on the main screen, it disappears and the game comes.
Yes, true. You can also make a command like on pressing the space bar or pressing the arrow key, you can start your game also.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am, I was talking about that.
Okay, Sidra, I'm stop sharing. You can share your screen and show me. Achha, one more thing. This program I have created now, this will save in my, everyone mute yourself. So many background noises there. So instead of using Untitled 19, because it won't, Ari, mute yourself, Baba. We always have to save our programs, otherwise what happened, our program will not be easily visible and understandable. So I am making this program's name as Galileo. What you want? Who annotated? Who had annotated in my screen?
Ma'am,
Yes, Mariam.
I have a problem in my story.
Okay, what problem you are facing? Yes, by then I am listening to
Can I
Mariam.
share my
Sidra,
screen on?
wait, Mariam, wait. I allowed Sidra to share her screen first. She wanted to show me. Let her show me and then I'll see what problem you are facing. So everyone create a character dancing in the screen. Everyone means everyone. Muhammad, Yusuf, Omar, everyone create the same program. If you want, you can put on some different commands also. You can make a beautiful command. If you knows the things very well, then it's good. You implement some more and beautiful commands. Sidra, share your screen and show me your story. Okay. So start creating, Mohammed. I want to see the project right now over here. Everyone create the same program that I have created. If you want, you can implement some new things over there. No, click the flag button over here. Click the flag button. Just click the flag button. Bacha. ये हाई जाना चाहिए ना वापस हाइड हो जाना चाहिए your command should be hide and then only the second command should come. Okay. Wait, Mariam. Giga. Mariam, go to the Giga's command. Wait for
Ma'am,
a
this
minute.
is the
What, Mohammed? What do you want?
they're sharing.
Sidra is sharing the screen.
Okay, this is Sidra's screen. Okay, Sidra, again the same problem with you that I told to Maima. Your Giga is speaking to Terra and both of them speaks together. So their command blocks come in the, their dialog boxes overlap each other. So you have to make the seconds work. So what you do, hi Terra, wait for a minute, Sidra, I'm saying you something. Go to the Giga's command first. I'm telling you how you can change. Yes. Here, when she says hi Tara for 4 seconds, instead of 4 seconds, keep it for 1 second. The first command block, the first purple. Yes. Make it for 1 second. Make it for 1 second. Right. Now, go to Tara. Go to Tara. Now she will say hi for 1 second only, but before keeping this program, make it for 1 second. Make it for 1 second. Instead of 5, make it for 1 second. Did just a minute. Sidra, listen to me. Go to control. Go to control over here. Yes, take that wait for 1 second command block. Take that wait for 1 second command block. Here. Yes. And keep it after when flag is clicked. When flag is clicked. Abhi kya hoga? When Giga will say hi, Tara will wait for 1 second because flag to click ho gaya hai. Tara will wait for 1 second and then she will say hi for 1 second. Now, come to Giga. अभी गीगा को फिर 1 सेकेंड वेट करना पड़ेगा जिससे टेरा बोल ले अपनी बात को. तो bring 1 second over here again in between hi Tara and after before how are you. Put a 1 second command block in between, say hi and हाँ how are you. अभी क्या हुआ, वहां से उसने 1 सेकेंड बोला, उसके बाद यहाँ 1 सेकेंड वेट हुआ. अब शी विल से हाउ आर यू एंड अगेन मेक इट फॉर 1 सेकेंड, क्योंकि ये बहुत इतना 5-10 सेकेंड देंगे तो बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा प्रोग्राम. मतलब you have to wait for more time. No, change this 1 second again. How are you? In how are you, keep it for 1 second. ना अरे वो wait 1 second तो रखना ही है. हाँ, उसको सेट करो, no problem. Set this wait 1 second over there. Fix in the main program. Yes. Drag this command blocks. Yes. Now make this 5 second as 1 second. See how are you, and after that you have kept for 5 seconds now. Keep it for 1 second only. No, keep it for 1 second. How are you? How are you? Keep that how are you for 1 second, beta. This 1 second, this 1 second. Okay, fine. Now play. Play for a minute. See the output. फ्लैग को क्लिक करो, ये देखो, यू कैन सी माई एरो. यस, अभी देखो हाई टेरा. अच्छा, ये फिर से 1 सेकंड में नहीं हो पा रहा है. मेक इट वेट फॉर 2 सेकंड्स. वेटिंग टाइम को 2 सेकंड कर दो. मेक वेटिंग टाइम फॉर 2 सेकंड इन बोथ द केसेस. This is what we are doing is called as rectifying the errors in the program. Go to Terra. Go to Terra. Go to Terra. हाँ, अभी यहाँ पर भी इसको 2 seconds कर दो. यहाँ पर भी 2 seconds कर दो. See over here. No, here. Are you able to see my cursor? Mouse pointer?
Is the dancing block?
I'll show you. Just a minute. Make it for 2 seconds. Sidra, when flag is clicked के नीचे जो है command block उसमें ना command block ये वाला wait 1 second वाला command block में. हाँ, this one. Make it for 2 seconds. This one ना बच्चा कैसे कर रहे हो? हाँ, अभी प्ले करो. Play it fast. देखो यहाँ पे वेट टाइम ही हटा दिया है तुमने. 2 seconds डालो इसमें. हाँ, now play. Click the flag. Click the flag. Yes. See. देखा? हुआ ना? थोड़ा वेट टाइम आया. So you have to do this wait timing so that your dialogues will look more better. Okay. So Sidra, you will make the changes and then show me again. Okay. Now exit the screen. Understood, Sidra?
Can I show you my problem?
just a minute, Mariam. Sidra, understood, bacha? Now you will make the changes and show me again. Okay, Mariam, yes, tell me, show me. Yes, Mariam, what is the problem with you? Please show me.
I will show you. It's about my story having the problem.
अच्छा, किसको dancing block नहीं मिला? Go to the sprites and there you will see lots of sprites with the dancing animations. Predefined, pre-designed sprites are there. Okay, how are you? Okay. अभी ऐसा सेटिंग करो कि आई एम गुड पहले हट जाए, तब फिर वो बोलेगीगा नहीं, पिको बोलेगी जो भी। ओके, ये साथ साथ नहीं आना चाहिए, ऐसा टाइमिंग सेट करो कि फर्स्ट डायलॉग बॉक्स शुड वैनिश एंड देन द सेकंड डायलॉग बॉक्स विल pop up and then again the first one, second one will removed and the first one come again.
So how do I do it?
Mute yourself. देखो, go back lunch पहले आ गया, बैकग्राउंड पहले खत्म हो गया। तुम्हारा वहां पे इतनी देर तक स्क्रीन रहना चाहिए था, बैकग्राउंड रहना चाहिए था। Now what happened? What is the problem with you, Mariam? Tell me.
They're saying like they're not saying how they say from the how they say rightly from before.
Sorry. Sorry,
Can
Mariam.
you hear me?
Yes,
can
I can
you
hear
hear me?
you. Yes, please repeat what you said.
They don't speak. They like Giga was saying is like that, and then Pico was like saying it's like that. So they're both saying it like wrongly.
Okay. So what you have did, Mariam, what I can perceive is here. Are you able to see my cursor? Is it visible to you?
No.
Okay. Why I'm not able to annotate over here?
I cannot see your annotation.
It is not giving.
Ma'am, Mariam didn't that
Mariam,
on the annotation.
yes, Mariam, you have not allowed me to annotate actually. Anyways, what you did, Mariam, in the second block, in this Giga's command blocks, in the second block, good morning Pico is for 5 seconds. So make it for 1 second. Make it for 1 second. No. Make here for 1 second. Good morning Pico for 5 seconds is there na? नहीं. ऊपर, उसके ऊपर वाला. Say good morning Pico and make this 5 seconds as 1 second. The block up to this wait 1 second. अभी तुम 5 सेकेंड का कमांड डाल रही हो और उसके बाद तुम वेट कर रहे हो 1 सेकेंड, then definitely command blocks will be overlap with each other, na? You have to keep say good morning Pico for 1 second. The second block, when flag is clicked, below that command block, you have a command block now. Say good morning Pico. Make this good morning Pico instead of 5 seconds, keep it for 1 second. Did you got me, Mariam?
Next to good morning Pico.
Yes, next to good morning Pico. Make it for 1 second. Yes. Now what happened? It will say for 1 second. Now go to Pico's command block. Go to Pico's command block. Now you have to keep a waiting time 1 second before saying good morning, Giga. So after when flag is clicked, you have to keep a command block, wait for 1 second. After when flag is clicked command block, you have to make a command block, wait for 1 second or 2 seconds. Are you getting me, Mariam? Bring a command block. Wait for 1 second. Before saying good morning, Giga. Mariam, heard me? Mariam, say something, bacha. Did you heard me or not? Mariam? Where is Mariam? Mariam, what happened? Mariam, are you able to hear me? Everyone is able to hear me or not? Then what happened to Mariam? She's not answering me. Mariam?
That's my other Zoom. Ma'am, can I share screen?
Wait for a minute. I'm just discussing Mariam's screen. Then we will come to yours. Mariam, did you got me? What I asked you to do?
Yes.
So make the changes. First, you have to keep waiting time for Pico also. क्योंकि काजी कुछ बोलेगा तो उतनी देर पिको को चुपचाप वेट करना पड़ेगा ना. तो you have to keep a waiting time after when flag is clicked before say hi good morning. Okay, make the changes and then show me again. Yes, Umar Javed, you want to show? Show.
Yeah. Ma'am,
Yes. Who is
can you
this?
see? Can you see, ma'am?
Yes, yes, I can see. Yes, Mana.
I understood, but what is the app's name? Means
No app. Manha.
Yeah.
Where were you in past so many
I'm
classes?
In Chrome, na?
I have told this 2 to 3 times that from where you are going to get a scratch. So for a scratch, what you have to do, you have to go to Google, type scratch.mit.edu. Yes, I'm seeing, beta. I'm seeing. See, Manha, see this address. Can you see this? Scratch.mit.edu. So you have to type this in Google and go to the Scratch and log in, create a login ID and password. I have uploaded a video about login ID and password. You just follow that video, create your account and start creating the Scratch programming. Okay. And still if you face problems, then just tell me, I'll help you. Okay. First you go through the videos. In YouTube, we have a YouTube channel now. I have uploaded there only. Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Good. Good. Make some more movements, beta. Make some more movements. Huh? Abhi dancing wala banao. And Umar Javed, again, this is the wrong thing. I have explained a dancing part and you have created the previous one. So is this fair? मैं जब जो पढ़ा रही हूँ उसको छोड़ के आपको कुछ और करना होता है. ये तो ठीक नहीं है ना. Where is the dancing one?
So we have to do
You
the
have
same.
create. Yes, you can create the same. If you want, you can make changes also. No problem with that. If you know Google Scratch programming, you can create changes, definitely. But stick to the subject. I want a dancing sprite character, then make it a dancing sprite character. You can change the background. You can change the sprite. That's up to your choice. You can create a long program also. But at least do what I am teaching now. But right now, when I'm teaching something, you are doing something else. And that's not fair. And it's really not acceptable. So, anyone else want to show their work?
Can I'm done with I done with the Pico's command. Now, ma'am.
So, Mariam, now the time is up. So, I'm leaving the class for now. I'm going to see everybody's project in the next class. You have to create a dancing sprite. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
And if you want to show some other program, then also it's